Okay, may Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Why you study science? Amazing. Thanks, Aris, and thanks for all of you, grade 1. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Please, grade 1, follow our online class rules. Be prepared on the time, okay? Don't be late, okay? And close your camera, close your mic. No one write on the chat, okay? Now, let's start. Who remember the title of our lesson? It's about water.
Cycle.
Amazing, yes, honey. So it's about water cycle. Yeah, in this lesson we learned about water cycle. Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay. And thanks, Elias. And our objectives in this lesson we will explain today, inshallah, we will explain how the clouds form and the different kinds of these clouds. Okay? Okay, let's start. Okay, first I want to start with you. How do the clouds form? Who open the mic? Muhammad Saad, close your mic. So how do clouds form? By the water cycle. So in the water cycle, number 1. Let's revise. Number 1, the sun warms the earth water. And then the water, some of this water will evaporate and it's changed to the gas or a gas, and this is called water vapor. It's called water vapor. This water vapor will goes in the sky and then it cools in the sky. It cools in the sky. If it cools in the sky, now the clouds are formed. Now the clouds are formed. So, and then after the clouds can fall to the earth or fall water to the earth as a rain. Okay, grade 1. And we can say a song or sing a song about the water cycle. Sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. So sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. So Elias, can you tell me about this song?
Some water vapor change to gas.
Sun, water, vapor.
Some water vapor.
Yeah, number 3. If the water vapor clouds in the sky, now the clouds are formed. Now the
Fall.
clouds. Sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain.
Clouds and rain.
Yeah, amazing, Elias. Thanks a lot. So sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. Sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm recording. Okay. So sun, water vapor, clouds, and rain. So number 1 in the water cycle. The sun warmed the earth water. The sun warmed the earth water. So who can tell me again? How the earth water can warm? By the, yes, Radwan. Nu'ayman. The earth water can warm by the earth water heating or warmed by the, yes, Nu'ayman, by the,
Teacher me Abdullah Jamah.
okay, honey, wait. Yes, Nu'ayman, by the earth water now heats or warms by the, look here, Nu'ayman. Is it the sun or the moon? By the sun. Nu'ayman warms or heating by the sun. By the, yes, Nu'ayman, by the sun. Thanks a lot, Nu'ayman. Very amazing. Okay, so by the sun. Number two, some of this water will turn into water vapor. Some of this water will turn into water vapor, okay? Yes. Close your mic, Nuaima. Yes, Amra Haytham. Tell me about number two. When the sun warms the earth water, some of this water turns. Yes, some of this water will turn into. Amra Haytham. Some of this water.
Water vapor.
Water vapor, amazing. Thanks a lot, honey. So you know what is the water vapor? Is the water that goes into the
Water vapor.
yeah, the water vapor is the water that goes into the air or down to the earth. Up in the yeah, up in the air or down in the earth.
Up.
Up in the air and then the sky. Thanks a lot, Amr. You are amazing. Okay, and number three, the water vapor. This water vapor will cause in the sky, and it turns into the clouds. It turns into the clouds, grade 1. So number 4, Abdurrahman Al-Qadi. Number 3. Yes, Abdurrahman
Yes,
Al-Qadi, number 3. So number 3, Abdurrahman. This water vapor will cause in the sky. Well, the water vapor cause in the sky. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
If it goes in the sky, now, yeah, and it turns into the,
What?
turns into what? Turns into the sun or the clouds?
Clouds.
Amazing, honey, thanks a lot. And this clouds can fall back the air, the water into the earth, okay? So if I ask you what makes it rain or snow, by the water cycle. Who can tell me about the water cycle quickly? Yes, Abdurrahman Afari. Number 1, sun. Abdurrahman. Okay. Abdurrahman Ammar. Yes, Abdurrahman. Number 1, the
Sun.
sun. Number 2,
Raining.
sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. Okay? Again, honey. Sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. One more time. Sun, water, vapor,
Sun, water, vapor,
clouds, and rain.
sun and rain.
Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. So sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. This is the water. And if the water fall back or fall into the earth, it can fall into the earth, and it's called precipitation. It's called precipitation. And we have 4 types of this precipitation, like the rain, sleet, hail, and snow. So rain, sleet, hail, and snow. So who can tell me about the types of the precipitation? Hail, sleet, rain, and snow. Yes, Abdurrahman Ammar.
Rain. Rain.
Abdurrahman Ammar, yeah. So, tell me about the different thing can fall from the clouds.
Rain.
Yeah, rain, amazing. And what else?
Sleep.
Snow, rain, and snow, rain, and
No.
yes, honey. Sleet and hail. Sleet and
Rain.
close your mic, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Yes, sleet and hail. So hail, sleet, rain, and snow. Hail, sleet, rain, and snow. Thanks a lot, Abdurrahman Ammar. Okay. Okay, this is a diagram for the water cycle, but I want someone to tell me what I can write here. Yes, Radai Saddam?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, honey, the water cycle started by the
Sun.
amazing. So, number one, sun. After the sun,
Rain.
yes, honey, sun.
Water vapor.
Amazing. Sun, water, vapor,
Clouds.
clouds, and
Rain.
amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, honey. So, sun, water, vapor, clouds, and rain. Okay. And what about this? Yes, Salim?
Yes.
Yes, Salim. Tell me again about the water cycle. Number one. Quickly, honey, sun. Yes, sun. After the sun,
Water.
water, vapor,
Rain.
clouds. First, clouds
Rain.
and rain. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Okay, again, quickly, who can tell me? Ahmed Abdul Mun'im? Quickly, honey. The water cycle started by the Ahmed. Okay. Asil Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
So tell me, honey, the water cycle started by the
Sun.
sun,
Number two, water.
water, vapor. Yeah.
Water vapor, yeah.
Number three.
Cloud. Number four, rain.
Amazing, honey. MashaAllah, you are excellent and faster. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, and the types of the precipitation like the rain, sleet, hail, and snow. Okay, what about today? Look here, grade one. I want you to look at this picture and tell me, first, what is this? What can you see in this picture? Yes, Adam. Tell me, Adam, what can you see in this picture?
Yes.
Yes, Adam, tell me, what can you see in this picture? Is it a cloud? Yeah, amazing. It's clouds. But look, Adam, are all of these clouds look the same or they different?
Different.
Yeah, amazing. They different. So when I ask you, Adam, are all the clouds look the same? Yes or no?
No.
Of course, no. Thanks a lot, Adam. But what is the cloud first? What are clouds? Clouds are made of water and ice.
Teacher Abdullah Jamal.
Wait, honey. Clouds are made of water and ice. So clouds are made of water and ice. Yes, Battal? Tell me, Battal, what are...
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me, honey, what are the clouds? Clouds are made of
Land.
water and ice. Clouds. What is the
Water and ice.
One more time, Battal. Water and are all the clouds?
Ice.
Look here, honey. Are all the clouds look the same or they different? They are different.
Different.
Thanks a lot, honey. So we have different kinds of the clouds, grade one. What are some different kinds of these clouds? Maybe the clouds are thin, like this one, it's thin. Maybe the clouds are big, like this one. Maybe the clouds are puffy. What is the puffy? It's meaning like fat, like this one. Okay, so maybe the clouds are thin, big, or puffy. Thin, big, or puffy. One more time, thin, big, or puffy. So yes, Saud. Tell me about the different kinds of the clouds. The clouds may be, yes, Saud, the clouds may be thin or big like this one or puffy. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, honey. You are super. Inshallah. Okay, so we have different kinds of the clouds. Okay, the big one It's called cumulus. It's called cumulus, but it's not important to know the names. Okay, just look at the picture and you can describe it. Okay, so the first one or the big one is called cumulus, and the thin one is called cirrus. Cirrus, and the third one is tender, and it's called clouds. Okay, so one by one, what are some different kinds of the clouds? Number one, this one is called, this is tender, okay? This is cumulonimbus, cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus clouds, it is tender, or this tender clouds, it's bring the rain and storm. So it's bring the rain and storm. So when I ask you about this clouds, this one, this type of this cloud is called cumulonimbus. It is tender and bring the rain and storm. It's bring the rains and storms. So it's bring the rains and storms. It's puffy, bring the rains and storms. And number two is a thin clouds. It's called cirrus clouds, but it's are made of bits of ice. So are made of bits of ice. Are made of bits of ice. And what about number three? Number three is a big, it's a big cloud, and it's called cumulus clouds. Are made of water drops. Are made of water drops. Are made of water drops. Grade 1. Okay, so we have different kinds of the clouds. Look at this one, the cumulus one. It's are made of water drops. This one are made of water drops. And what about this one? This areas are made of bits of ice. Are made of bits of ice. And the third one, this is tender clouds and bring rain and storms. This is tender clouds and bring rain and storms. Okay? So again, who can tell me again about these clouds? Yes, Omar Maher. Omar?
Yes, teacher.
So Omar, look here at these clouds. Tell me, Omar, describe these clouds for me.
Thunder clouds.
Yes, tender clouds, amazing. And if you see these clouds, these clouds might be bring what? Yes, Omar, it might be bring
Rain.
rain and what else?
Storm.
And storms. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, honey. And what about number two? Yes, Arz. Number two, these clouds are made of, these clouds are made of
This of
bits,
ice.
bits of ice. Bits of ice. Thanks a lot, honey. You are amazing, mashallah. Okay. And you are super, mashallah, Omar Maher. Okay. Abdullah Saleh. Abdullah Saleh.
Yes, teacher.
Look at number three, Abdullah, and describe it for me. These clouds are made of
Camels.
Yeah, I don't ask you about the name. It's not important for me. I ask you about can you describe it? Describe these clouds. These clouds are made of what?
Cloud.
Rain or water drops? Ice or water?
Rain.
Yes, rain, water drops, or ice? Yes, honey.
Rain.
Water drops. It are made of water drops. It is the rain. Thanks a lot, honey. It is the rain. Okay. So now, look here. what the type of the clouds might you see before a rain? So what the type of the clouds might you see before the rain? Is it number 1 are made of water drops, or number 2 are made of water drops, or number 3 are made of water drops? Who can answer me? Yes, Abdullah Jammah? Abdullah
Yes,
Jammah?
teacher.
So tell me, if you see these clouds, it might be rain. So what the type of the clouds might you see before a rain? Before a rain, these clouds are made of water drops. Which one? 1 or 2 or 3?
3.
Are you sure? 1 or 2 or 3? Yes, if we see number 3, it's have rain and what else?
1.
Yes, number 1 are made of water drops. Thanks a lot. And also number 3 are made of rain and storms. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz Hussein. Abdulaziz.
No.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So look here, Abdulaziz, what kind of the clouds could help you to predict a storm? If you see these clouds, oh, you will see it may be storm today, or it is stormy weather. Is it number 1 or number 2 or number 3?
Number 3.
Amazing, honey. Number 3. Thanks a lot. Okay. Again, it's not answer. Okay. Yes, Ibrahim.
Yes, teacher.
Look here, Ibrahim. Look at this clouds, number 1 and number 2, and tell me how these clouds are alike. How they are alike?
Because
Yeah. Tell me about the color. These clouds are white. Yes or no?
what?
Number 1. Is it right? Is it white? White clouds?
No.
This one? Or what? Yellow? No, it's white. Yeah. So it's white clouds. Yeah. And number 2, it's white clouds.
Yes.
So these clouds are both white. Okay. And how they are different? How they are different? Tell me, Ibrahim. These clouds are made of water drops or ice?
Water.
The water drops. Amazing, honey. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay. Yusuf Al-Hello. And what about these clouds, Yusuf? Are made of ice or water drops? So look here. These clouds are made of water drops or bits of ice?
Ice.
Ice, yeah, it's made of ice. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, so we have different kinds of the clouds. Not all the clouds look the same. Okay. Now let's play the game. Yes, Fahad. Fahad.
Yes.
Okay, Fahad here. Oh, wait, I'll say Yusuf. Sorry, wait, Yusuf Khaled. Okay. So now we can matching, honey. Okay, Fahad? Yes, Fahad, are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
look, honey. These clouds, it's made of rain and storms or water drops.
Rain and storm.
These clouds, you see these clouds, it might be stormy today. Maybe stormy today. Are you sure? Rain and storms? Oh, but it's wrong. So, water drops or thin bits of ice?
Water drops.
Yeah. These clouds are made of, first, these clouds are made of water drops, honey. Thanks a lot. Yeah, now it's correct. You are amazing. Thanks a lot, Fahad. Yes, Yusuf Khalid? Yusuf Khalid? Yeah, tell me Yusuf, about these clouds. Tell me about these clouds. These clouds are made of...
I cannot see the screen.
Why, Yusuf? Leave and join again, honey, quickly.
I just leave and I join. It don't come. It's still nothing screen.
So again, leave and join again. This is from your connection.
Okay.
Okay, honey. Okay. Yes, Ali Gamal?
Yes.
Ali Gamal? So look here, Ali. These clouds are made of rain and storms or thin bits of ice?
Thin.
Yeah. Ice or storms?
Storm.
Storm? You sure?
Teacher, I love again, and you don't come the screen.
Now can you see the screen, Yusuf?
No.
Oh, so what happened? I don't know what's wrong with you. This is from your connection, I think.
Teacher, هو خربان من عندي.
Yeah. Oh, so what can I do? I'm so sorry, honey. So wait, honey. Yes.
I'll go in my iPad and go enjoy.
Okay. Okay, honey. Okay. Yes. Who is answer? I forgot. Yes, Ali Gamal. Choose again, Ali. These clouds are made of storm or ice.
Storm.
Are you sure?
No.
But it is not correct, honey. So can you answer, Asil Faiz? Can you help your friend? Yes, wait, honey. Wait, Nawaf. Yes. Yes, Asil Faiz.
Yes, teacher.
So look here, Asil. These clouds are made of ice or storm?
Ice.
Yeah, thin bits of ice. Thanks a lot, honey. So,
It is one of them.
Ali Gamal, you know that these clouds are made of ice, okay? Yes, Nawaf. Nawaf.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, Asil. Yes, Nawaf.
Yes,
And
teacher.
what about these clouds? These clouds are made of
Yeah.
ice or rain and storms? Quickly, honey. Rain and?
So.
Yeah, rain and storms. Great job, grade 1. Thanks a lot. Okay, now let's back our lesson. So today we learned about the different kinds of the clouds. Okay, the clouds may be puffy, thin, and big. Okay, this one, it's a tender clouds bring rain and storms, but this one is thin and made of bits of ice, but the last one are made of water drops. Okay, now the evaluation time. Okay, yes, Muhammad Saad. Muhammad Saad. Okay, Rayis. Rayis. Sulaiman.
Teacher,
Yes, Saad. Yes, Saad, you can answer. Saad, can you see the picture? Saad, open your mic.
Yeah. Yeah.
So look here, Saad. Some clouds, Saad, some clouds look wet and others look puffy. So some clouds look wet and the others look puffy. Some clouds look thin, or can you choose look thin or look tall?
Look tall. Look tall.
Tall or thin?
Thin, thin.
Yeah, some clouds look thin. Thanks a lot, honey. Yes, Sulaiman. Sulaiman?
Yes.
Okay, Sulaiman, look at these clouds, okay? This type of the clouds or this kind are mostly made of what drops? Are made of ice drops or water drops?
Water.
Amazing, Sulaiman. Thanks a lot, honey. Okay, yes, Abdul Malik? Abdul Malik. Okay, Faleh. Faleh. ثنيان. Badr.
Yes, I am Snayan.
Okay, look here, Thanayan. These clouds are made of thin bits of ice or of water.
What?
These clouds, Thanayan, are made of thin bits of ice or of water drops.
Water drops.
Are you sure? Water drops or ice?
Ice, ice.
Yes, I. Thanks a lot. Yes, Badr. And the
Yes,
last
teacher.
one, these clouds can bring, or these clouds bring what and storms? Yeah, it brings rain and storms or ice and storms.
Rice and
Ice or rain? Ice and storms. Ice or rain?
rain.
Yes, rain and storm. Thanks a lot, honey. Thanks so much, grade one. Please leave the meeting, okay? Because my
Okay,
grade.
bye bye. Bye bye bye. Teacher. Bye. Teacher, bye. Bye. تيتشر ريال في حد في الفصل أنا أسمعك معك السمعيات